Are you filming? Hey, I'm Dolphin. Alright, sorry. I'm going to teach you properly pop out. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to start popping right about here. You're going to put your feet like this, pop, land like that. You don't want to be landing like that or like that. You kind of want to be right about there. And you slide, and then you pop out like that. Do a little tail tap, and land. Then you roll away, and you do a nollie butter spin.